Hello students. Today we are going to study the unit third continuation portion of appurtenances in distribution system. So you might be knowing what is meant by appurtenances. It is the instruments which helps in connecting all the joints by operating or by helping the pipes without scouring, without blasting, and with smoothly running the distribution system. So in this, we have different appliances and distribution systems to be discussed. So we'll go in detail the appliances and distribution system. So the different devices which are required for controlling the flow, which helps in reduction in scouring, reduction in blasting of the pipes, even reduction in passage of air for preventing leakage and other purposes in water distribution are called appurtenances. So some appurtenances I will be highlighting in this. Those are valves. In those valves we have sluice or stop valve, check or reflex valve, air relief valve, drain valve, scour valve, and zero velocity valve. And there is one more we are going to discuss is fire hydrant. So now we'll study in detail one by one. So we'll start with the sluice or stop valve. In this name only it is been said that the appurtenance whatever we are going to use it is for stopping the pressure which helps in reduction in pressure and which helps in reduction in blasting of the pipes. So these are different valves we prefer in the domestic purposes, even we prefer in different distribution systems where the water supply has been done. Next we'll go to check or reflex valve. Here whatever the valve we are going to provide, this valve is going to help in checking the pressure and the different purposes of this flow of water and which helps in sending the water in smooth way. Here I have been added a video. If you go through my PPTs, you will understand how it is going to be worked. Next, we will understand what is this air relief valve. Here, the water it's been going, but some part of that we will be having some air pressure. We need to remove that, and we will be removing by closing that valve and we will be releasing the air. Next, we will understand what is this drain valve. Drain valve we will be using where uh, the water is being washed and we need to remove all the dirts from the pipelines. There we provide this type of drain valve. From left side we will be having the input or the drained valve uh, drain water and it starts flowing inside, and this is the float and this is the inlet of that water and it enters here, it goes upwards. And if any air pressure is there, it is being released through this pipe. Next, we have scour valve. Scour valve in the sense the valve which controls scouring effect in the pipelines. So this is how the water scouring is being controlled by this valve. We have different parts for the apparatus. This is the upper valve plug, the upper seat, lower seat and the lower valve plug. The flow will be from left to right. If the water is very turbulent and if it is very turbid, it starts scouring the pipe. So will help using this valve, we can control the scouring of the pipe. Next, the zero velocity valve. Zero velocity valve are the valve we uh, known as water hammer arrestor. It is used to arrest the forward moving water column at zero momentum, that is when its velocity is zero and before any return velocity is established, we use this valve to control the reverse velocity or returned velocity of the water. So this is one type of the water hammer arrestor which helps in releasing the air pressure or the water pressure using some new technologies. So there is one more video in this. So please go through my PPT. You will understand how this water hammer arrestor is, the working of water hammer arrestor is. Next, we will understand what is this fire hydrant. You might be seen in some of the films, it might be the Hollywood or the Bollywood. Uh, During fire, we will be seeing the fire engines, extinguisher engines, but they are going to connect a pipe to a machine or the valve where the water is continuously flowing. That hydrant, that apparatus, we call it as the fire hydrant. Hydrant is an outlet provided in water pipe for tapping water mainly in case of fire. They are located at 100 meters to 150 meters apart along the road and also at junction of the road. Flush hydrants, it is kept in underground chamber, flush with footpath covered by CI cover carrying a sign board FH. Post hydrant, the post hydrant remains projected 60 to 90 centimeter above ground level. They have long stem with screw and nut to regulate the flow. In case of fire accidents, the firefighting squad connect their goes to the hydrant and draw the water and spray it on the fire. So there is one more video, you'll understand how this fire hydrant works. So next, the important is nowadays the water it's been uh, theft from one or the other way from your domestic pipelines or it might be from the public pipelines. So we have been allotted some instruments to control that and to understand how much the quantity of water it's been used by you and others. So now that is what we call it as water meter. So water meter, to determine the quantity of water flowing through the pipes, water meters are installed. The readings obtained from the meters helping working out the quantity of water supplied and thus the consumers can be charged accordingly. Requirements of a good meter it is very important, because if anything happens during passage of the water, or there might be a chance of passage of air, because of that we lose some of the amount of water as well. We uh, used to charge extra amount of money because of passage of the air. It should not disturb to the flow of water. All its parts should be non-corrosive. It should be easily maintained and repaired. It should be economical. It should have screen on its in left side to exclude clay silt grit. So this is one type of a principle of water meter which is been running. Even it is a video. If you go through my PPTs, you will be understanding how this water meter and runs, and the principle behind that to check the readings. So this ends the third unit and the this video. Thank you.